Hi everyone, Ray Lacey, Partner Enablement Manager for VuWall. Had an amazing show here at Infocomm in Orlando. Just wrapping up day 3, highlighting our Vision VS, our first joint venture with G&D. Has the amazing capability in the control room space or really anywhere you need to bridge both the G&D KVM environment along with VuWall's multi-viewing capabilities. We're also really excited to show our latest version of TRX that now fully supports the G&D platform. All that hardware we can now manage under one unified software umbrella, along with our great new QSys plugin. We're really excited to see everybody at Infocomm 2026 in Las Vegas. Thanks for coming out.